Apa? Among. Propose. Bagus. Among, gimana Pak? Pukul. Pukul, how are you? Happy next month, Pukul.